School of Racing channel here, coming at you guys with a, my bad, I just woke up, got freshened up. It's like, I'll show you right now what time it is. 10:54, I mean 9:54. It's 9:54 in the morning. And, oh yeah, I like my little valve cover shit right here. H-way. But yeah, coming at you guys with a video. I'm gonna clean my garage. My motor is, I'll show you when I get outside. And I'm gonna try to weld my exhaust today. So I'm gonna try to do 3 things, get those accomplished, and have this video uploaded by tonight, which is Sunday, the 25th. So yeah, do all that and come back to you guys once I'm ready. I'm gonna get dressed and then head outside. Can't forget, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You guys have to eat breakfast so that when you get on your car, you work on your car, there's no like, oh, feeling woozy wowsy. Eat breakfast before you work on your car, because your mind, I'm gonna start with this, we're getting deep into it. Mind, body, and soul. When you work on your car, you want to be relaxed. Like, to me, working on my car, I don't smoke weed, I don't drink. That's my drug. Being able to get my car running on A1, that's my drug. So I mean, you gotta mind, body, and soul. Like, you gotta, and this is the food for it. Breakfast. Always eat breakfast before you work on your car. Or lunch. Eat so you're good. Now is I'm gonna clean the garage. I just finished eating. Mind, body, and soul. Mind, body, and soul. But yeah, this shit is atrocious. So I'm gonna clean up. And yeah, I'm gonna get to working. Well, I'm also do my hood. So hood. What else I said? I said hood and something. I'll figure it out. But garage first, cause this shit is dirty. Dirty workspace is no bueno. All right, so just finished cleaning the garage a little. It's a lot better. Oh, let me move a little bit of the stuff. Guess I could put this. Just try to utilize as much space as possible. So yeah, that's all I'm really trying to do. Is just utilize as much. I gotta get rid of this whole area right here. I gotta get rid of these headlights. I gotta sell those. Junk some of the suspension. I got a whole bunch, but it's getting there. But this is good enough, because my main goal was so my mom could get the snow blowout when I'm at school, so she doesn't have to shovel the snow. Boom, pull it out, and that's it. So next clip, I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna keep the flow going. Alright, so I just finished doing my valve cover gasket. What I did a rookie mistake. I forgot to put the grommets that go over the spark plug. So I had the the valve cover in the house, and I noticed, I was like, yo, why is it leaking oil? And I thought about it. I was like, oh, and it was because I did a rookie mistake. So I put the grommets back in there. Hopefully everything's good. But yeah, so got everything buttoned up. But now what I'm gonna do is Harbor Freight actually got a good deal on these. They're like $10, and I had one, but I lost a piece, like this piece, so I just brought a whole new one. Like, fuck it. But yeah, all right, so what I'm doing now is I'm finished putting my battery in the trunk. I ran some wire. I did a video on it, but I deleted it. I don't know why, but I finished. Like, I ran it. I'm gonna route it back there, and I'm gonna finish doing that. I mean, I guess that's the step. But what I did, was I took the power wire apart, like the little fitting right here, and I'm gonna put I'm gonna splice this. And I brought a Twisted Motions kit, and I'm gonna combine the wires with this. So yeah, it was getting kind of dark. Not really dark, but yeah. I figured I'm gonna put the battery right there. I moved it from there. It looks a lot cleaner. Yeah, so I'm just gonna continue this video tomorrow. And yeah. What's going on, guys? Come back Yo, it's cold as fuck, but cold as fuck. But yeah, just finishing up this video with the battery relocation. So I have the 0 gauge wire right here. This is the ground. And for the kit I brought, I'll put a link in the description below. I mean, they give you more than enough wire. I mean, the ground kit is for what's it called? It's for a 240. So generally speaking, 240s are longer and all that bullshit. So yeah, I mean, it's in a Civic, so I mean, I have more than enough wire. I mean, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna splice this, and I'm gonna splice this, and I'm ground it a little bit. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I do that. All right, so yeah, I put on the coat because it's fucking cold, dude. But yeah, I put the terminal on and I put the ground, like the ground side. What I'm gonna do now is put this box in. And what I'm gonna do right here, this shit is rusty. Look at this, rust. Summertime, I'm gonna fix like the rust and all this bullshit. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it right here and mark it right there, and I'm gonna cut this off with my angle grinder. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I did that. Much better. So now what I'm gonna do is throw a little 4 self-tapping screws in there, and that's it. Alright, spool up Luke Cage. Now imagine that. But yeah, I fixed the battery, took it out, box seat. So now I need to put the battery. No, I'm playing with you, but yeah, so what I did is I ran the battery going from, damn, you can't even see shit. But I'm just gonna give you like a sideline. I tucked my fuse box under the dash, and I basically ran like all the wires that I needed. Like like if you could see. Damn, you can't even see. I don't even have a flashlight, my bad. But yeah, I ran the wires and I ran it all the way back here. I did a sloppy job because I wanted to just mount it. But yeah, I put everything back. Damn, you can't even see shit. But I'm gonna move you guys into the garage and I'm gonna show you a little bit better. Alright, so yeah, so what I did was I ran a fuse box under the dash. I spliced into 2 wires, and I got the wire, and I got the 0 gauge wire, and I ran that all over here, back there, fucking light, over there, right here, right there. The reason why I did it this way, cause the wire's kind of long, so I wasn't really trying to like, feel me, like. But yeah, so I ran it that way. I mean, I'll probably just tuck it one of these days to make it look nicer, but I mean, it's really nothing special. But yeah, so I mean, that was a little off topic, but yeah. Spool Up Racing channel, feel me? I guess if you guys enjoy these videos, just inbox me on Instagram and put my Instagram name right here. If you enjoy these videos, honestly, just text me, because I mean, I feel like I do these videos, and I mean, I've had a couple people tell me like, yo, why you stop doing the videos, but I really don't feel like I'm getting nowhere with it. But if you enjoy these videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Give me like a message on Instagram, I read them all. Message on Snapchat, I'll drop my Snapchat right here. If you like them, just tell me like, yo, keep up with the good work, finish your car, But yeah, Spool Up Racing channel.